Alkenes are a class of hydrocarbons, example containing only carbon and hydrogen, unsaturated compounds with at least one carbon-to-carbon double bond. In organic chemistry, an alkyne, or paraffin, is a cyclic saturated hydrocarbons. So, alkyne is hydrocarbon that contains carbon double bond. And also, alkenes called also alk- alkenes also called olefins. According to the research, this is the dimethyl 2 for hexadiene